Well, you guys have been asking for it. We're on the road again today. We're gonna head over towards the Sand Chute down in the river. We get out there quite often. Probably one of the easier places to recover a vehicle from, so we decided that we just will put a little challenge to it, and we're gonna go out there with a team of mules and hitch them all up, and we're gonna drag that side by side up out of there with a team of mules. And we'll see how it goes, and we'll take you along for the ride. What are you doing today?
Nothing. I just saw.
You just seen a loose mule?
I just saw horse and a mule and I thought it come down the mud.
Hey, you leatherhead, come here. Ooh, mule. Hi. Well, here we go. We're gonna get them all hitched up.
You have the right to an attorney. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
All right, well, we better grab this double tree.
Not only are we talking about
Put it in there and take it with us.
the fly house,
Pop, you going with? Huh? They're just gonna follow along, apparently.
All right, see you down there.
I'll race you. Look at that. See you, Jackson.
Come on, Jackson.
Well, we're on the road again. We're down here to the Maverick. You know what that is. It's Adventure's first stop. So we're gonna get loaded up. Leon's headed down off into the river bottoms with the mules. We're gonna meet him over on the other side in the Jeep.
Well, we're off on a grand adventure. Jackson, Bell, and me, and Alice, and Casey's coming in from the north, across the sand that way. And we are going to meet right down at the bottom of this sand dune right there against the river. Somebody has some type of an ATV stuck down there. And we're going to see if we can take these mules and pull them up through the sand and get them back going. Bell's in there looking for Machine Gun Kelly, Babyface Nelson at the Federal Tortoise Penitentiary. This is Supermax for the baddest of the bad, the Ninja Turtles.
Guess who gets to hike back out and go get the double tree? I don't know about this place some days. All right, we're gonna drop down in and see where we end up. Hopefully we can climb back out of here. All right, well, I gotta haul this double tree down there. See if we can get to that first turn without doing a bunch of winching. See where we end up here. Steep. 2 steps forward and 3 steps back. Just back up a little bit just so you're out of them holes. Okay, that's good.
It's really easy to go too much throttle, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Wait right there and I'll chunk some rocks in after we get them hit.
What's that?
Wait right there and I'll chunk rocks in after we get them hit.
But for a second I thought I was going to make some forward progress.
Yeah, they don't take heat very well. I need to get that now. Sorry.
Hold it out. All right. You want me to have a loose rope?
I'll just take a piece of one.
You ready?
Ready, Randy? Let's go, man. Well, that worked slick as can be. We just hooked onto that and pulled right up.
All right, well, we made it part way up. We're gonna let them mules blow for a minute. We'll get them set up and take off again, see how it goes. It ain't no big deal for them. They don't give a hill of beans and nothing. Ready? Yeah, we're doing it for show now. Are you going up? Want to make sure I make it up? He's gonna try it first, I guess. All right, we're gonna let Randy give it a try first. We'll go from there. Good. You might make it. It's clawing away. Oh yeah, he's got her. All right, we got to try her again, I guess. Get a better run at that.
sucks though. Pressure difference.
Yeah, I had about 12. Well, I gave it a few tries with 12 pounds of air in the tires, and that didn't quite do it, so we just let a little air out down to 6 or 8 and come bobbing right out of there, no problem. So that goes to show you how important it is to not be afraid of letting your air down and giving her the onion, as we say, with the throttle, and working your way up out of there. So a little dangerously low to drive them on the pavement, so we'll air them up real quick, and we'll be back to the house in 2 hours flat or less. So it wasn't that big of a deal, and we had a pretty good time.
Those rigs really aren't any better than the Jeep.
Yeah.
You don't ride better, you can't go any faster anywhere.
And they don't have air conditioning.
No, they don't have air conditioning. I'm sweating like crazy.
We got down in there with the mules, and Leon come in from the top and we come in from the back side and met him down where that machine was stuck. And it was pretty funny because I started letting air out of the tires, and Randy seen him at the gas station, sent him a text and told him to come go with us. So he came down and we went in there, and I let the air out of the tires on the side by side and wasn't paying attention, and that one mule took off back down the hill to the mare that Leon had tied in the shade at the bottom. So I had to hike down there and hike back up, and so we had to do a little extra because life is hard, and it's even harder when you're stupid. So I should have never let go of that mule or tied it up better, but it just lifted the lead rope up over the post I had it tied to, and that's all part of the game. Not like a Jeep. You park a Jeep, it's going to stay there unless somebody steals it, but a mule can leave on its own. That was a pretty good time, and those mules, they're worth their weight in gold in a situation like that. Like I said, we'll be a little over 2 hours, I guess, at this point on the whole job. So pretty simple, straightforward job. Most of the jobs down in that Sand Chute are just like that. Just take a little time, and if you have to, just do a little winch and whatever it takes to get up out of there. And so I hope you enjoyed it. Something a little different in the recovery world, to use a couple old working mules. So thanks for coming along for the ride, and we'll catch you on the next one. What'd you think of that?
That was a heck of an adventure. It's nice and warm, frost out of the ground. I'm glad it's over.
Yeah.
Glad we could help them people and get that off the hill for them.
Amen to that.
The mules did a great job. Just grunted right in there and drug it up. So
what'd you think of that, Randy?
Away. Oh, easy. That was amazing.
Easy, beautiful. I'm looking for my sunglasses. I'm all squinting.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks for coming along for the ride. That was a good time. We'll try to go do that again when it's cooler.
Yes, when it's cooler.